Thank you, President Ford. This is an exciting day. We are so uh, thankful for our companies for being here, taking time out of busy schedules to come and help us recognize our students. We are appreciative of parents and family members and friends being here as well. We're super proud of our students. This is a competitive program. This program has been in existence for 8 years now, and it's gotten more and more competitive every year. Not every student is selected. So students, be proud of yourselves and this wonderful opportunity that's being placed before you. And parents, I hope you're proud as well. We want to take time to recognize each student, each company, and students, if you'll come forward as I call your names, multiple students at companies, if you'll all come together at once, we'll do one at a time and then a group photo. And as you come forward, we'll sign at the table and then take a photo. So the 2025 Tiger Apprenticeship class. William McGee. He is in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program. He's from Boonville, and he's working with Bryant's Heating and Cooling right here in Boonville as well. Great opportunity, and Adam Bryant with Bryant's Heating and Cooling is a wonderful partner of our program. We're proud for this opportunity from everyone involved. I'd like to point out that this is a wonderful partnership that we have with Accelerate Mississippi, providing the funding for this program. Also with Three Rivers Planning and Development District, they help us with this program as well. We couldn't do the program without Accelerate and Three Rivers helping us along the way. It's a great opportunity. Again, we're in our 8th year. We're just super proud of our students. We're especially thankful for our companies for investing in Northeast, our programs, and our students.